देखूं मैं जरा, who is strong in my class, in my activity club. Let me see the strength of the children. There are lot many parents asking me to use Hindi and English together. Ma'am, I'm making an effort to use both languages. We do understand. Please, everybody show me your strength. How strong is everybody? Very good. आप ये देखिए मैम के हाथ में क्या है, a bowl of curd. तो बच्चों आपने कर्ड भी खाना है, जो मामा आपके लिए कर्ड बनाती है. वेरी वेरी हेल्दी फॉर योर बॉडी. मदर्स कर्ड इज वेरी हेल्दी. गिव देम लस्सी, ऑल मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, गिव देम बटर, राइट, एंड खीर. These are the basic things which कृष्ण जी used to eat. ये देखिए कृष्ण जी ये सब चीजें खाते थे. फिर से मदर्स बच्चों को प्लीज रिपीट करवाइए. व्हाइट बटर, माखन, जिसको हम मक्खन भी बोलते हैं, माखन. सेकेंड खीर. थर्ड योगर्ट एंड कर्ड, लस्सी. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें कृष्ण जी की फेवरेट थी. ओके, तो अब हम शुरू करने वाले हैं बटर ईटिंग कंपटीशन. सो पेरेंट्स, आर द चिल्ड्रन रेडी फॉर द बटर ईटिंग कंपटीशन? I want everybody to give me a thumbs up. Okay, Dimple ma'am, let's start with the butter eating competition. We are waiting for you to give us instructions.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so are we ready?
पहले बटर दिखाइए मैम. मेरी कटोरी का
see everybody's
size
butter.
Please first
Butter
show us the
दिखाइए
size
अपना.
of the container. Yeah, please show the size of container or the small bowl where they're going to eat butter. And
जो आपके पास कटोरी है वो दिखाइए.
Okay. And parents, I am telling you again, don't tell us कि मैम इसको focus करो. Dimple मैम सबको focus करेंगी. We are trying to capture everybody, but it's just an activity. So even if the children don't finish the butter, don't push them much. Just tell them कि you have to eat to become strong. That is the motto of eating the butter. And when we all eat collectively, you know, they get motivated. Okay, that my friend is eating, so I have to eat. The aim of the activity is not to make, children feel that they have not finished. So if everybody is ready, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Are we ready? Are we ready? Sabka thumbs up nahi aaya hai. Okay, so we will count till 20. I will count till 20. तब तक बटर खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. जब मैं start बोलूंगी तब start होएगा. Dimple ma'am, you have to capture the children. I will count 1 to 20. So 20 seconds we give. जितना खा लिया very good. जितना नहीं खाया don't force. Okay. So mothers, on your mark. Dimple ma'am, can we start with putting the children on the spotlight?
Yes, ma'am. I'm starting.
On your mark. Okay. On your mark. Get set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dimple ma'am, change the spotlight. 8.
Yes, ma'am. Changing.
9. Okay, I'll go slow. I know the kids are small. 10. Yummy, yummy. 11. 12. 13. 14. ओहो नटखट गोपाल खा रहे मक्खन. 15. यमी है, बहुत स्वाद है ना. आप मामा को तंग नहीं करोगे आज खाने के लिए, टमी फुल हो जाएगा. 15. 16. Oh, so cute. राधा जी भी खा रही है. 17. 18. 19. और ये कृष्ण जी कह रहे हैं मम्मा अगर मेरा नाम लिया ना फर्स्ट आने को तो मैं गुस्सा करूंगा.
ये वाले राधा कृष्ण देखो.
हेलो राधा कृष्ण जी. Okay. 18, 19 and 20. Stop, mothers. No cheating. Please write in the chat box किसने कितने spoons खाए. We know they cannot finish, but please write the quantity in the chat box. And no cheating, mothers. बस बच्चों बस अब मामा chat box में name लिखने लगी हैं आपका. So we are going to do that. After which we will start with the quiz.
Okay, Arika had 11, Vian 8,
डिम्पल मैम पहले मैं बटर बनाना
7.
सिखा दूं बच्चों को.
हाँ मैम सिखा दो. Manvi 12. So Nihira had
Okay.
13 spoons. Wow. Bhavya had by finger. Okay.
Very
Radhya,
good. Parents,
14.
please keep clapping for all the children. I want everybody should clap. Very good.
Very nice. मैम बहुत से बच्चे होंगे जिन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम खाया होगा आज बटर.
So let's clap for everybody. Clapping. Very good. Parents, हमने ये activity इसलिए कराई थी so that children understand the importance of white butter. Okay? And yes, we understand that they're eating for the first time because it takes time in developing the taste buds. Sometimes they don't have a taste, but definitely they will eat when we introduce this. Now let's start with
and most of the times, ma'am, these days children like to eat ready-made butter which is available in the market. That is a salted butter.
Yes, ma'am.
8359.
Okay, so the parents अपना ready कर लीजिए. Let's give them experience. I have got this matki. If you have a matki, आप matki ले लीजिए. Steel का container है वो ले लीजिए. तो इसके अंदर मैंने डाल दिया है wooden stick. मधावी we used to use. अब मैं आपको picture दिखाने लगी हूँ जो कृष्ण जी की मामा butter कैसे निकालती थी. So let us first see that. Children see. Parents, please show. This is the madhavi. इसको बोलते हैं कृष्ण जी की मामा ऐसे बटर निकालती थी. ये देखो कृष्ण जी पीछे छुप के खड़े हैं. कृष्ण जी is hiding, and this is the way the traditional butter was taken. This is the way traditional butter was taken out. It is a fresh homemade butter by Krishna ji's mother. So mamas, please give your children fresh butter. Okay, so let's start now, and we are doing this to give them experience of how to make a butter. Okay, so Dimple ma'am, sabka ready hai saman? Can we start quickly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I put myself on the spotlight, Dimple ma'am, for a minute.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Please see. Everybody, ये देखिए, मैंने इसके अंदर ये स्टिक डाल दी है और इसको रख दिया है. अब दोनों हैंड्स के साथ हम इसको मूव करने लगे. मटकी अवेलेबल नहीं है. ये देखिए, इसको ऐसे चलाना है. डिम्पल मैम, वेरी गुड. डिम्पल मैम, प्लीज सी हु इज डूइंग इन द राइट वे. इसको स्टिक को अंदर रखना है, दोनों हैंड्स के साथ चलाना है. माखन निकालो, व्हाइट बटर. ये इसको डालिए और बच्चों देखो नीचे. पेरेंट्स, you can put some milk in the container so that they have a feel of actually taking out. अगर आपके पास फ्लूट नहीं
मलाई है तो मलाई भी डाल सकते हैं.
हाँ, एनीथिंग जो घर पे अवेलेबल है. कोई भी स्टिक ले लीजिए, स्पून ले लीजिए. स्पून को ऐसे रख के ऐसे चलाइए. ये देखिए, मूव इट. यस, वेरी गुड. ये देखिए, मटकी के अंदर मैम ने डाला और मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि मैं दोनों हैंड्स के साथ बैलेंस कर पाऊँ. इसको ऐसे ऐसे मैंने हिलाया. मैं अपनी मटकी में कर रही हूँ. आप ऐसे मूव करवा दीजिए बच्चों को चम्मच.
मैम ये देखो मधानी.
Okay, ma'am, let me cancel the spotlight, then you can capture 1 minute, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so देखती हूँ मैं.
हाँ, मैम सिमर कर रही है और भी बच्चे कर रहे हैं. Ma'am, try to capture the new ones because parents are saying they are not capturing the new children this time. So very good, baby. ऐसे कर लो. Very good. इसमें butter निकलेगा. You can put malai. You can put milk. We told parents अगर मटकी नहीं है that is completely fine. स्टील का बोल यूज कीजिए.
स्टील का बर्तन भी यूज कर सकते हैं. वाह, वेरी नाइस.
इन्होंने पेन डाला है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. लेट्स क्लैप प्लीज.
पेरेंट्स हाथ निकालिए, बीच में से दिख नहीं रहे आपके बच्चे. अनुपमा सिंह,
ये पेन के साथ बच्चों को प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं ऐसे ऐसे करने की. यू कैन गिव चिल्ड्रन अ स्पून. यू कैन गिव बिग स्पून. जो चम्मच बड़ी करछी होती है, सर्विंग स्पून, उनको दे दीजिए. लेट देम मूव विद द पेंसिल. वेरी गुड. So this is a traditional way of taking out butter. Ma'am, can you capture Mahesh Dalvi? I think they are doing the exact same way. Very good. इन्होंने rolling pin ले लिया है और उसमें डाला है. Very good. So parents, you can see the options on the screen. Our parents are so creative.
निशिका शर्मा करो.
Please use the hands. It's very important exercise for the children. You ask now. Ma'am suggest the activities. घर बैठ के क्या करें? So see, do these activities with your children. This is very good to strengthen the hand muscles, and children will
Garima, show what you're doing.
Okay. Okay, very good.
और कौन कर रहा है? लावण्या गोस्वामी. लावण्या, ओ वो कुल्फी की स्टिक से कर रही है.
Very good.
Very nice. And let me see who else is doing. Kushagra is doing something different. So let us see what Kushagra is doing. Kushagra karo.
Very good. So we are taking out butter. Very good. Parents, please tell children this is a traditional way.
Very nice.
अब तो machines आ गई हैं butter वाली, but पहले this was a right way of taking out the butter.
Gaurav Sardana, can't see you.
Okay, very nice.
Okay, let me check. Nandita Nath.
Okay, very good. Very nice. You have given the steel container. Okay, good. Siddharth Behlwal. Okay. So parents in between, please give the water to the children if they are thirsty because they are wearing the traditional clothes if they feel uneasy. Oh, ये कृष्ण जी देखो चश्मा लगा के बैठे.
चश्मा लगा के माखन निकाल रहे हैं.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, thank you parents. Now let's start with the quiz, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, after quiz, immediately start with the treasure hunt because matki hai, तो treasure hunt साथ में हम शुरू करेंगे. After that,
yes, ma'am. ठीक है, done. Okay, so I am starting.
Before Dimple ma'am, yeah, Dimple ma'am, 1 second, parents. First, we are having a quiz. You will ask the questions to the children and put the answers in the chat box. Second thing, we are going to make a pyramid. Okay, pyramid बनाएंगे. So please, meanwhile, you can organize their toys. जो उनके toys है, blocks हैं, उसे pyramid बनाने वाले हैं कि जैसे मटकी टूटती है. So meanwhile, you can organize till Dimple ma'am starts. So over to you, Dimple ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So I am going to show you the picture. मैं पिक्चर दिखाने वाली हूँ और आप मुझे आंसर्स चैट बॉक्स में लिखकर बताओगे. So ready? Okay. The first question.
Yes, ma'am.
कृष्ण जी की मम्मा का नाम। टेल मी, कृष्ण जी की मम्मा का नाम। यशोदा, यशोदा मैया, वेरी गुड, यशोदा जी, नाइस। देवकी, जानकी, यशोदा जी, खूब सारे थे कृष्ण जी की मम्मा के नाम। ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन, कृष्ण जी के पापा का नाम, कृष्ण जी के पिताजी का नाम। वासुदेव, वेरी गुड। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कृष्ण जी के भैया का नाम क्या था? उनके भैया का नाम, बड़े भैया का नाम? बलराम, बलराम जी। वेरी गुड। अब हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है,
Okay, Dimple ma'am, some parents want more of English, so if you could translate to them
okay
in
fine,
English also.
okay, now next question is Krishna's friend, कृष्ण जी के friend का नाम, what was his friend's name? His childhood friend, his best friend of Sudama. Yes, very good. Okay, now let us see what is the next question. Krishna's birthplace, where was Krishna ji born? कृष्ण जी का जन्म कौन सी जगह पे हुआ था? वो कौन सी जगह थी? ओके, और अब हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन है, our next question is, who was Krishna's evil uncle? कृष्णा जी के जो एकदम बुरे वाले मामा थे, गंदे से मामा थे, उनका नाम क्या था? What was his uncle's name who was very cruel and very evil? Kans mama. Yes, absolutely right. Now, my next question is, which musical instrument did Krishna ji love to play? कृष्ण जी को कौन सी वाली म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना बहुत बहुत पसंद था? Which musical instrument did he like to play? Bansuri or flute? Very good. And वो बांसुरी किस चीज की बनाते थे? What did he use to make his flute? Did he use steel? Did he use brass? Or did he use bamboo? तो कृष्णा जी ने बांसुरी बनाने के लिए क्या यूज किया था? स्टील यूज किया था, पीतल यूज किया था, बांस की लकड़ी यूज की थी, या रेगुलर लकड़ी यूज की थी? बांस की लकड़ी या बैम्बू। वेरी गुड। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which festival did Krishna ji enjoy celebrating the most? कौन सा त्योहार था जो कृष्णा जी बहुत खुशी खुशी मनाते थे? Holi. Yes, very good. And now my last question. कृष्ण जी का सबसे फेवरेट फूड कौन सा था? Which food or
Dimple
food
ma'am, your voice is
item?
cracking.
Which food or food item did Krishna ji like the most? Makhan or butter? Yes. Very good. Wow. Ma'am, सारे बच्चे तो कितने इंटेलिजेंट हैं.
Very good. Let's clap for all the children and the mamas. Very well performed. Very good. Parents, please ask the children these questions. Now we are starting with the treasure hunt, a new activity. So please
Okay.
watch what ma'am is teaching.
Okay, now in the treasure hunt, I am going to show you some things. Okay, and I am going to put all those things in my matki. तो मैं आपको कुछ चीजें दिखाऊंगी और वो सारी चीजें मैं ये मेरी मटकी में डालने वाली हूँ. And then I am going to put all those things in the matki, and you are going to tell me all the 10 things which I put in the matki. Okay, so ये मेरी मटकी है और इस मटकी में मैं 10 चीजें डालने वाली हूँ. और मैम आप स्टार्ट बोलना जब मैं सारी चीजें डाल लूंगी, नहीं तो वो लिखना शुरू कर देंगे पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो सी व्हाट आई एम
Okay,
पुटिंग.
ma'am.
ओके, कैन यू ऑल सी? Spoon, leaf,
Spoon,
leaf, okay, ma'am, am I visible? Guava, अमरूद
guava.
या अमरूद,
Okay.
stapler,
Okay.
matchbox,
Matchbox.
tomato, पेरेंट्स लिखो नहीं अभी. glue, lemon,
Please show the children. Ma'am will hide all the things and they have to tell.
okay, next is lemon, sharpener, and onion. So I'm showing the things once again before I put them in my matki. Okay. Onion, guava, spoon, tomato, stapler, glue, matchbox, sharpener, lemon, and leaf. And now I am going to count till 10, and parents will write all the things one below the other in the chat box fast. All 10 things. Let me see who's going to write. इरेजर तो नहीं था मैम. So let me see कौन से पेरेंट्स हैं जो मुझे all 10 things एकदम फटाफट बताएंगे. Which parent is going to tell me all the 10 things? spoon, leaf, guava, stapler. ओके शीतल मैम, किसने बता दिया 10, all 10? शीतल मैम, okay, wow, excellent memory. So parents, ये वाली जो हमारी एक्टिविटी है ना, ये आप भी बच्चों के साथ घर पर कर सकते हो. And how can you do it? आप ट्रे में कुछ चीजें रख दो, बच्चों को 1 मिनट के लिए दिखाओ, then you keep it aside, और फिर बच्चों को बोलो कि बताओ उसमें क्या क्या था. This is a game or an activity for you to develop the child's memory, to enable the child to, you know, increase his thinking capacity, his remembering capacity. So this is the game for increasing your child's memory. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, so now we shall start with the next thing. Okay, so now should I show you
All
the
right,
maze?
ma'am. Let's start with the pyramid now.
Okay, ma'am. Pyramid.
Okay.
start
Yes,
karte
ma'am.
hain.
Give us the answer of the maze.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Ma'am is sharing the right answer of the maze which we had sent you. So please see the maze.
Okay, this
How we
was
are
the
going to
maze
do.
which we had sent. ये
Yes,
maze
ma'am.
भेजा था ना आपको. और now
Yes.
the answer of the maze. This is the answer of the maze. तो ये देखो कृष्ण जी यहाँ से गए, फिर ऐसे ऊपर, then sideways, then up, then again sideways, and then up, and sideways, and then down, sideways, down, sideways, and this is the way he reached the Makhan ki matki.
Matki.
So how many of you got the answer correct? How many parents got the answer right?
Please write in the chat box. Were you able to do this activity? Okay. Let's clap. Let's clap once. And the parents who have not done this is still available in the activity group. You can quickly download it and do it. So now let's start making a pyramid. So before we make a pyramid, Dimple ma'am, if you could make me a co-host. I want to share a picture.
You are a co-host.
No, ma'am. Just check the settings again.
Just check, ma'am. I had made you a co-host, so just check.
Okay. So, ma'am, if you can explain this picture to us, why are we making a pyramid?
Yes, ma'am. I'll explain. Okay. So, you know what? Why we make a pyramid? We make a pyramid because when we are down and we need to reach something which is much higher, which is अगर हम नीचे हैं और हमें बहुत ऊपर तक जाना है और उस चीज को पहुंचने के लिए हम पिरामिड बनाते हैं। और आपको पता है जब दही अंडी होती है तो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ह्यूमन पिरामिड्स जो इंसानों के साथ बनती है, which is made by people climbing up on the shoulders of each other, and they make a pyramid. The biggest and the largest and the tallest human pyramids are made only and only in India. No other country in the world makes human pyramids. Okay? And human pyramids jab hum banate hain, so it also talks about our strength, our concentration, our ability, and our willpower. So it takes care of 5 things और हम ग्रुप में कैसे काम कर सकते हैं. So our human pyramid is about all these things. So strength, कि हमें इतने सारे लोगों को हमारे shoulders पर लेकर चढ़ना है. Concentration, so that मेरा focus कहीं और नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ इस पे होना चाहिए कि हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़कर कैसे वो मटकी फोड़ सकें. थर्ड, हमारा फोकस इस चीज, थर्ड ये है कि हम जितने हम लोग हैं उतने लोगों में we will also learn how to use what is given to us. अगर कम है तो कम लोगों में यूज करके हम कर सकते हैं, अगर हम ज्यादा है तो हम ज्यादा में भी यूज करके हम कर सकते हैं. So that is one. And the third is about helping each other. So each one will help the other person to get on top, to get on top, to get on top, and then reach the handi. So that is the human pyramid. So today, now we are going to do a pyramid. You can use your toys, you can use books, you can use glasses, whatever is available with you, you can use that. So let us see. तो मैम देखें pyramids बना रहे हैं बच्चे.
मैम मैं भी लेके आई हूँ, so let me also start one. So these are my blocks. These are my blocks. I'm using these ones. So let me start with my thing also. I've kept 2 and in between. Ma'am, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to make a pyramid. Now understand the structure. ये नीचे से बहुत सारी blocks आप रख सकते हैं. And as we go ऊपर 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 ऊपर, it will become a single block, right? So base has to be really, really strong. So then I have kept this. So similar way, parents start making the pyramid. If you have a plastic blocks, what plastic glasses for this pyramid? You can use Lego blocks, anything to make the pyramid, because the activity is related to Krishan Ji for the matki. सब ऊपर चढ़ के मटकी को तोड़ते हैं, जैसे डिम्पल मैम ने बताया. So let's start. Dimple ma'am now capturing the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can use any kind of block, whatever is available.
You can use anything which can be stacked one on top of the other. कोई भी चीज जो आप
Bhavya has
ऊपर रख सकते हो. Let me see. Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to capture all the newcomers first.
Ma'am.
Okay. So Preetam, Patna.
Ashvika. Yeah.
Okay.
Samarth.
Oh wow! इन्होंने तो मटकी की बना दी pyramid.
Ma'am, can you show us the proper view? आप मैम थोड़ा दूर से दिखाएंगे तो इजी हो जाएगा. Yes, lovely, very good, very nice. How well the child is doing. Parents, I want you to see the small child managing with the blocks.
Let me see
well.
Samarth.
Now we want the next picture to be captured. Very good.
Which is the next name?
Okay, I'll just call out ma'am. Riyansh, Samarth.
Samarth, I just captured.
Riyansh Sharma. Okay, Riyansh Sharma. And then Soumya Shri.
Okay, Riyansh Sharma is in the spotlight, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, next is Soumya Shri.
Yeah. Next, you have to capture Deepika Chaudhary. The child's name is Ashvika Chaudhary.
Okay, Soumya Shri, very nice. Next is
Deepika Chaudhary's ID. Just find that, and they are showing, they have completed rather very early before we were announcing.
Very nice.
Divyansh, beta, please make. You're not making. We want to see what you're making. So do it fast. Hitansh has done. Hitansh needs to be captured over here. Hitansh. Akshiv. Akshiv is the next child.
Ma'am,
Ashwit. Okay. Right. Very good. Another innovative idea, parents, please see. So many games today we are teaching you, and you can play these games with the children.
Akshiv. Very good.
Soumya, Myra.
Soumya ho gaya, ma'am.
Okay. Myra, ma'am. Anmol.
Myra, show us.
Okay, they are making, I think.
Okay, now next is Anmol, right?
Yeah. Arya Sharma. Parents, when we call the names,
Anmol has used glasses. Very good.
Very
the
good.
Next one, ma'am.
Arya Sharma. Next one, Soumya.
Very good, Arya. He has used all assorted things. Very nice. Who's the next, ma'am?
Ma'am, Jay and Janvi. Prashant, Jay and Janvi. Okay, Garima after that. Very good. Parents, you all have to, after Garima, we will wait for a minute. After Soumya, sorry, we will wait for a minute. Parents, we are trying to see everybody. Randomly, we are trying to capture the children now. So the ones who have done, we can see through the camera. Very nicely done. Vian, Soumya, Garima. Very good. We understand that you want the children to be captured and appreciated. We do understand, ma'am, but do understand so many children to capture on a single frame sometimes gets difficult. Okay.
Okay, very good, Abhishek.
Sambhavi, ma'am. Sambhavi is the last child. And then parents, we are going to capture them randomly because we need to do the other activity. Today we have done treasure hunt.
Ma'am, Sambhavi is probably on some other name. Cannot find her in the list.
Okay. Let me check. Soumya, they have ma'am from MCS. They are from one of the branches, I think.
MCS Birpara, I suppose.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good.
Very nice.
So through games, parents, you see that how much the children are learning and the concept tell them behind. Now we are going to start with the tongue twister. Very important exercise, the tongue twister for all the mamas. So ma'am, I want that if you could stop this spotlight and good baby. Okay, but mothers, आपने बोलना है, आपका माइक बंद है, पर आपको थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं. लड्डू गोपाल, नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल, नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल, नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल, नंद गोपाल. तेज तेज बोलना है. 1 मिनट का टंग ट्विस्टर है.
1 मिनट में मैक्सिमम कितना बोल सकते हैं?
Okay.
टाइम स्टार्ट करें?
Ma'am, Vyan's mother is writing the credit goes to his father. Okay, we can see the smile on his father's face. Okay, yes ma'am. So let's start. Ma'am, एक बार tongue twister, please write it in the chat box for everybody. Laddu Gopal, Nand Gopal. Laddu Gopal, Nand Gopal. Laddu Gopal, Nand Gopal. Laddu Gopal, Nand Gopal. You have to speak fast. अगर fathers हैं, fathers please be a support this tongue twister, and you can also try to strengthen your tongue muscles. If the children are speaking really good. Laddu Gopal, Nand Gopal. So this is a tongue twister. Tongue twister is a part of our curriculum. So now we are starting with that. So Dimple ma'am, you can start with a tongue twister timing. On your mark, mothers, and get set. आपको 1 minute में कितनी बार आप बोल सकते हो? Honestly लिखना है. कृष्ण जी देख रहे हैं सबको. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So
On
this
your marks,
task.
On your marks, get set, go.
लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल नंद. मैम आप कितनी बार बोल पा रहे हैं? लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल. मेरा तो बीच में ही रुक गया.
लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल. 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 लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल.
Very good.
लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल. लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल.
मैम को गिफ्ट जाएगा.
लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल. 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 लड्डू गोपाल नंद गोपाल.
Okay, the time is up. Ma'am, the time is up. And let's see
मैम
the
मैंने
chat
तो
box.
32 टाइम्स बोला.
मैम मैं तो 3 times के बाद ही रुक गई.
Let us see parents ने कितने बार बोला. 23 times. Wow. 32 times. Very good.
50 times.
4 times.
Okay.
40 times. 52 times. Wow.
Very nice. इसके बाद हम मैम नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी शुरू करने लगे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Parents, please clap for yourself. So पेरेंट्स जाने से पहले अभी हमारे 5 minutes और लगेंगे. 5 minutes के बाद मैं एक बार डिम्पल मैम बच्चों को रिवाइज कराना चाहती हूँ सब कुछ.
ठीक है मैम.
So that they are able to attain. Okay. So this is the river. Dimple ma'am, this is the river.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको पता है मैम ये कौन सी रिवर है?
ये यमुना.
Yes ma'am, यमुना river. Very good. पेरेंट्स हम रिवाइज करा रहे हैं बच्चों को so that they are able to retain. और ये देखिए वासुदेव जी, ये मैंने कल बताया था, ये उनको छोटी बास्केट में डाल के लेके गए थे. एंड पेरेंट्स बच्चों को एक्टिविटी प्लीज कराइए. वी डिड yesterday for the ones who missed, hold the basket and the children had to walk on the pillows on the floor. So you can make imaginary Yamuna river and tell the children to do the activity. So the next picture which I'm sharing is about Krishanji Natkhat Gopal with his brother. They are playing blindfold. So parents, you can play blindfold again with your children today, like we told you yesterday. The next picture we are sharing is about how to take out the butter. We did this activity today in the class so that children have an experience how the traditional butter was taken out for Krishanji. So the next one is very important. Krishna ji's friend Radha ji. गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो. अभी जब हम ये सॉन्ग करेंगे सब बच्चे खड़े होके करेंगे. और ये हमारे नटखट कृष्ण जी जो माखन खा रहे हैं. कृष्ण जी used to love butter. Okay children, and he had peacock feather. You all can see that. And Krishna ji killed the Kans, the bad king. And also Krishna ji Sudarshan Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra, you can all see Sudarshan Chakra. He is moving with one finger. And with the Sudarshan Chakra, he defeated the bad king. Okay, so parents, कल आपने क्या करना है, जब भी कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी है, ये देखिए मेरे हाथ में कृष्ण जी जो डिम्पल मैम ने मटकी बनाई थी. Whenever you click the pictures, do upload it on your Facebook page or wherever, and do mention my Chhota School Activity Club in that your child has learned, and you can send the pictures directly. We will upload it in Activity Club also. This is Krishna ji's झूला. We can all see Krishna ji's झूला. हमने यहाँ से धीरे धीरे देना है इसको. Next, we learned about the milk products. The milk products. Okay. Next, we learned about the flute, bansuri, the flute. We have shown to the children. Next was the matki. This is my matki. See, मेरी मटकी खाली है अभी इसमें. इसमें मैं butter डालूंगी और pyramid बना के इसको तोड़ दूंगी. Then I will get to eat all the butter. Okay. So Dimple ma'am, now
yes,
maze is done, tongue twister is done, and now we can tell the parents the result of their Krishna ji, Radha ji will be announced on Tuesday in the activity club.
yes.
And also let's wait for all the children to stand up. I will play bhajan. Parents मैं भजन लगाने लगी हूँ. और अगर आपको थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम में प्रॉब्लम हुआ, so please check the internet at your end, because I think it's quite visible and we can hear it also. I'm playing Govind Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo remix. So I want all the children stand up with the mammas. Mummy ka haath pakdiye, and Dimple ma'am will capture the ones who are not captured. So please put the toys aside. Fathers, if you're around, be a part. And we now are taking the blessings of Krishna ji. So happy Janmashtami. I'm playing it, and then before going, we are today so many children, so many parents, each and every mother has to comment how did you like Janmashtami celebration before going. So happy Janmashtami, and parents please participate with the children. I want mothers, आप सब बच्चों का हाथ पकड़ के उनके साथ डांस कीजिए. I want the children to stand up. No child will dance on the bed, please. Parents, please participate, be active. We are capturing everybody. So thank you, parents. Jai Shri Krishna to all the children. May Krishanji bring lots and lots of prosperity, luck, and the COVID-19 goes away quickly so that physically we are able to meet all the children. Parents, thank you to you for dressing up children so well today. In COVID-19, we managed to look them best. And I think physical school में भी वो इतने अच्छे नहीं लग रहे होते जितने वो आज लग रही हैं. So big round of applause to all the children. And Dimple ma'am, to add on, I want you to say something.
Yes, ma'am, just 1 minute. Okay. सारे सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों को बहुत 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 सारा प्यार. लव यू. Love you. Wish you all good health and happiness always. Thank you.
Dimple ma'am, we have lost the connection. We are not able to hear you. So parents, I want to thank you on the behalf of my Chota school team. Thank you one and all. Happy Janmashtami to all the children, to all the family members. And we made pyramid. We did so many activities today. So please practice the same activities with your child. You can click the pictures and mail us. So we will try to bring it in our activity club also. And secondly, for Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, new theme will be there. So I hope you all are there in the activity club. We will update the new message for Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday over there. So the list of activities, the creative will be shared in the group. So thank you. And thank you, parents, for your wonderful comments. When you write such positive things, you know, we get more pumped up, we get more charged up to work even better for your kids. So thank you. And we can all see the celebration. The YouTube link will be shared for the Janmashtami celebration also. No holiday of Janmashtami, no. Already, sir and ma'am, we are having so many holidays, so we don't want to miss the opportunity of meeting our little children, because we want to, you know, teach them so many things. And it is always fun, you know, being with them. So Tuesday, yes, it's working, and we will announce the result also. So thank you. And now I will end the meeting. Very nice session. Thank you, everybody. Happy Janam Ashtami. Parents, बच्चों को please दिखाइए. Show them the glimpse of Mandir, Krishan ji, everything. Right? So thank you one and all. I need to sign off. So God bless you. Bye, children. And before going, children, you all have to say Happy Janmashtami. So आप अपने आप को unmute कीजिए, बोल सकते हैं.
बोलो हैप्पी आपको करना बोले बाय बाय